In 2006, I made a discovery. I discovered the Gymstick, a stick and 2 rubber bands. And I had no idea of its versatility back then, but now I do. As a master trainer and an instructor, and as someone who uses a Gymstick regularly, I now truly appreciate the versatility of this particular tool, and in particular with older adults. Older adults know that they need to do some exercise, they know that they need to do resistance training, but often weight training can be quite confronting. The Gymstick is a fantastic alternative because not only will it be effective for improving strength and endurance, but they can also train their balance really well with the Gymstick. So if you would like to know more about how you can use the Gymstick to train yourself and your older adults, please join me in a workshop on the 14th of November this year. It's a live workshop, but if you can't make it, that's okay, because you will be able to access the recordings post-workshop.